All right, guys, morning. Working on the 56 T-Bird. Sitting on the lift. Was that me?
Hey! Hi, everybody.
He's pretending like he's driving. What are we really doing, Scotty?
We're bleeding the brakes out on this one. Again, only because the entire system is brand new. I mean, everything is brand new. And I didn't like the feel of the brake pedal. Neither did Bobby, even after we bled it for an hour on the new setup. So now it's got, a couple around the block times. Everything's settled in. All new wheel cylinders. We're going to bleed it again just to make sure we've got no air, because we just had the same issue with the 64.5 convertible Mustang. Fixed all the brakes on that, bled them out, and it still just didn't feel right. Had some air trapped. Me and Nick decided to bleed it out this morning, and oh my God, so much better. So much better. So we're going to do the same to this, just to be safe. Bleed everything out, and then I'll finish the exhaust leak. Now that we actually have the gaskets in, took us a couple days. We'll get that done and taken care of. And I'll put everything in Nick's capable hands, and we'll go from there. I just get to be the pumper.
All right, guys, we'll go back with you guys in a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, I did it. Well, I mean we, but me. Quiet. No more exhaust leak. Turned out there was an old gasket stuck that I did not see. God, I feel like a complete you-know-what. But new gaskets. And she's quiet. She purrs like a kitten. So much nicer. And it does have a really, really nice rumble. So, we are fixed, ladies and gentlemen. Thank God. Oh. But that still pisses me off that I didn't see that. Damn it. But, like I've always said, if I'm not willing to throw myself under the bus when I make a mistake, then, hey, it is what it is. But we got gaskets, we got it fixed, got it taken care of, and she's sexy. Okay, guys.